Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making a lasagna today. So these are the ingredients I will be using. I'll be using parmesan, mozzarella cheese, ricotta, that's fine, salt, black pepper, this tomato, beef, and I'm using lamb beef, a kilogram. So let's start with the beef first. Okay, so I will be adding the beef inside the oil. I'm using olive oil extra, so you can use any kind of vegetable oil you have. On the other hand, I have a pan here and then full of water that I will be using to boil the lasagna pasta. Then I will just wait for the water to be hot, then add it inside. We'll come to that, but first of all, let's do the beef part. So I will be adding a black pepper, this amount, salt, wait for it to done, cook for like more 3 minutes. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of pepper flakes. Remember, I already added salt and black pepper, 1 spoon of that. So I will be adding the tomatoes now. Okay, all the full cup. Okay. I need the cover. Okay, so that's where we are now. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt inside the water. Then add the lasagna pasta. I'm just going to leave this one here for 8 minutes. I'm using the entire pack, 1 pack. So we have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. So I will be adding a whole cup of ricotta and minced it. The cup is 475. Minced it together. So I will be adding the parmesan. Then add parsley, tablespoon of black pepper, and salt. Mix together. While we are waiting for the meat to get ready, we will use this one. I just love the smell. We leave it here. So I just turned the stove off. Taking it out of the water now.
but it depends on what you like.
So we're done for the beef, so we just had to start laying the beef stew down. Should I call it beef stew? Oh, I don't think so. Not really beef stew. Add this layer to cover. Okay, I should just use one. Okay. Okay, so now we'll add this one. Yeah, then add beef again.
But it depends on what you like. And the journey goes far not to go inside. Fish and okra, oh yeah, see ricotta. Garnish everything with the pama. Put the onions and pepper, make
we do 3 layers. You can do 4 if your bowl are deep. So this is the remaining spoon of the pasta.
Like 1 kilo of beef. I know go chop pretty not be rice. I go see I know fin salad on divide. Cook and fish up Morocco on the table. You go confirm.
Okay, so the last but not the least, we add cheese. And a little of the parmesan. The way it smells, I just love it. So at this point, we'll be putting it on oven.
Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on what you like.
You can see those side to side boiling around that because I use butter to make sure the thing do not dry. So easy for me to take out. Okay.